Let's take a few minutes to make sure you are set up in ParentPortal and School Messenger. ParentPortal is the resource that allows you to monitor your students' grades, check attendance, and complete annual returning registration forms. You can download the ParentPortal app for your mobile device. Use the following district code to connect to Botetourt County Public Schools. School Messenger is the resource that sends out announcements about division or school activities, weather-related delay or closure alerts, and attendance notifications. If, after following these instructions, you need additional assistance, please contact your child's school. You should have received a letter with your ParentPortal Access ID and Access Password. This is what the top of the front page looks like. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to find it. We'll be here when you get back. If you didn't receive this information, please contact your child's school. You will need the Access ID and Access Password to link your child or children to your ParentPortal account. There are two ways to get to the ParentPortal login screen. Open a web browser, navigate to botetourt.powerschool.com. We recommend that you bookmark this page so that you can quickly access it in the future. You can also get here from the Botetourt County School website. Navigate to bcps.k12.va.us. Tap or hover your mouse over the Parents tab. Then tap or hover your mouse over the Resources option, and then select ParentPortal in the menu that opens. Again, we recommend that you bookmark this page to quickly access it in the future. If you are an existing ParentPortal user, go ahead and sign in. If you've forgotten your username or password, do not click on the Forgot Username or Password option. Instead, please contact your child's school for assistance. If you are new to ParentPortal, select the Create Account tab. Then click on the blue Create Account button in the lower right-hand corner to continue. Complete the first section by typing in your first name, last name, your email address, a username, and then a password. You are required to enter your email address and password twice for verification and accuracy. Your password must be at least 8 characters long and use only letters and numbers. Special characters and spaces should never be used. We recommend you write down or save your account information so you can refer to it later. The second section allows you to add children to your account. Type your child's name and your Access ID and Access Password located on the paper you received in the mail. Repeat this process for any other enrolled children in your household. When you have finished, scroll down and tap or click on the blue Enter button at the bottom right of the page. You will be redirected back to the main login screen. Enter the username and password you just set to log in to the ParentPortal. You may be prompted to verify your email address before accessing the ParentPortal. Once you have successfully logged in, you will see your child's name at the top of the screen. If you have more than one child enrolled in Botetourt County Schools, each of their names will appear here. Simply click on a name to see the attendance and grade information for that child. Botetourt County Public Schools uses electronic registration. This process is completed every year for each child enrolled. This is accessed by clicking Registration on the left-hand side of the ParentPortal. If you have more than one child, you need to complete the returning registration process for each child separately. Now let's get you set up in School Messenger. By selecting the School Messenger link on the left-hand side of ParentPortal, you will automatically be redirected and signed in to the service. If this is your first time accessing School Messenger, you will see this welcome screen. If you are a returning user, you will be taken directly to the Recent Messages dashboard. Click on the 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner to open the School Messenger menu. To add contact methods and set up notifications, select the Preferences option. On this screen, you can add multiple phone numbers and email addresses and set your notification preferences for each of them. Let's add a phone number first. It's that simple. Each time you add a contact method, you will be prompted to set your notification preferences. For our demonstration, we're going to set this up later. Adding an email address is just as easy. Any phone numbers and email addresses you add appear in the My Contact Information section. In the My Message Preferences section, you will see message categories and the types of notifications currently enabled. By default, you will receive a phone call and email for each message category. Click on a phone number to adjust your call and text notification preferences. For each message category, select how you want to be notified. Once you save your changes, the Message Preferences section will reflect them. We can do the same for email as well. Green icons show active notification methods. Gray icons show the inactive ones. You can also adjust your preferences by clicking on individual message categories. Your saved changes are immediately reflected on the Preferences screen. You can add additional phone numbers and email addresses at any time. You can also remove contact methods. Some contact methods are locked and can only be removed by calling your child's school. To remove a contact method that is not locked, click on the X next to it. When you are done, be sure to log out of School Messenger. We're here if you need any assistance. Reach out to your child's school and we'll be happy to help.